Number 11, 2, 8, basket. Number 20. Perimeter shot. No good. Now one in. Number 45. To number 10. Number 10. Drive. No good. Now one in. Number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 27. Tumira. Wala. Antala. Now one in. Number 35. Number 35. Pass to number 41. 41. Give the ball. Now one in. Number 0. Pinatulin. Now one in. Number 27. 41. Give the ball. Number 41. Pass to Eric, pass to number 27, pass to Eric, Kapus. Now, one number 7, number 7, perimeter shot, wala. Now, one perimeter. Basket, Number 45, number 45. Leaving the ball. Pass to number 20, Regal mabasahan ang subutan ni Iber. Nakakuha pa rin niya. 8 to shoot. Pass to number 21 to number 20, no good. Nakakuha ni. Number 20, Tumira ng tres. Wala nakakuha ni number 10, number 10. 10 to shoot. Drive, Tumira, no good. Nakakuha ni number 21, Tumira. Wala na ako ni number 0. Nagkala na Tumira ng tres. Wala. Number 41. To number 20. Number 20. Nagkala mo kasakaan na kita si number 21. 20 to shoot. To number 20. Perimeter. Basket by number 20. Wala. Nawan ni number 7. Pass to number 24. Drive. To number 7. Perimeter shot. Basket by number 7. Number 41. Pass to number 45. Basket by number 45. Number 7. Number 7. Repeat the shoot. To number 94. Number 94. Pass to number 0. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 45. Nasunod ang Eric. Nakuha pa ni Eric. Pass to number 0 to number 11. Nakakuha ng foul. Count. 6 seconds. No good. Nakakuha ni. Number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Perimeter. No good. Nakakuha ni number 20. Balay nakabala. Nakakuha ni number 0. Ano laki? Pass to number 7 to number 27. Basket by number 27. Number 45. Drive. No good. Nakakuha ni number 27. Pass to number. Nakakuha ni. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 7. Pero nakakuha ni number 21. Pass to. Kanina. Loose ball. Dumukot. Wala. Nakakuha ni number. Baby. Leia. No good. Nakakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 34. Drive. Basket by number 34. Number 30. To number 0. Number 0 to number 20. Number 28. Perimeter shot. No good. Nakakuha ni number 7. Drive. Basket by number 7. Number 19. To number 13. Number 13, take, drive, crossover. Tagaan mo kasana kita si number 20, number 20, number 20, laki ba si number 20, 18. Natabi, nakakuha ni number 27, to number 7, to number 27, perimeter, no good pa rin, nakakuha ni number 27, basket by number 27. Number 10, perimeter, basket by number 10. Number 0, drive, layup, nakakuha tayo ng foul. Second personal foul. Parehas basket. Basket tayo. 0. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 0. Perimeter. No good. Nakakuha ni number 0. Pass to number. Natabay ni number 13. Nakakuha ni number 0. Drive. Ikot. Tumira. Nakakuha ng fouls. Foul kaya. No good. Basket. Turun number 0. Nasagutan ni Eric. Tumong sa perimeter shot. Basket yan. By number 7. Number 18. Blind. Number 20 perimeter. Wala. Nalalatasan. Nakuha na number 20 perimeter. Patuloy. Wala pa nakakuha ni number 0. Debe. Loose ball. Number 0, nagdadala, pasok number 18, perimeter shot, basket by number 18. Number 0, 2, 27, Leia, no good. Nakakuha ni number 10, number 10, drive, basket by number 10. Number 7. To number 34, to number 0, Bebe, pass 2, loose ball. To number 10, to number 0, pass 2, number 13, drive, layup, logo. Nakakuha ni number 34, pass to number 27, logo. Sa depensa ng aso, tumira, basket. Number 18. Number 18, perimeter. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 18 nagtatapikan. Nakakuha ni number 30. Number 30, drive. Basket by number 30. Nakakuha pa rin ni number 30. Number 30, drive. Layup. Basket niya by number 30. Number 7, to number 0. Number 11, nasa dito nakakuha na. 234. Drive. Nakakuha ni number 0. Tumira ng 3. Wala nakakuha ni number 0. Tumira. Wala pa rin nakakuha ni number 34. Basket by number 34. 9 seconds. Nakakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 10. Wala.